In this video, we will show you how to do makeup using Flavor CRM. First, go to the Classes module and select the class. We have created two classes for this. We have two classes, one with students inside, and the other one is blank. In the first class, go to the Registered tab. Click the three dots on the right side of the student name you need to reschedule, and add a makeup. There will be two types of session selections. Create a new session or choose rescheduling to the existing class. Select the session you need to reschedule, and then select the rescheduled session. Once it is correct, click Save Class to finalize the makeup process. Once it is done, go to the Attendance tab in the first class and check the original session. The student's name will be removed from the attendance marking pop-up with the replace notes. In the rescheduled class, go to the Registered tab and go to the Rescheduled section. Makeup or rescheduled students will be shown in this list. In the Attendance tab, select the Rescheduled session. The student's name will be showing in the attendance marking pop-up. Another way to do makeup here is from the Class Replacement page. After clicking on Class Replacement, navigate to Makeup Class and click Add Makeup. Select the original class location and select the designated makeup or rescheduled class location. The registered students will be showing, and you can make multiple selections for it. Click on Save to finalize the makeup process. Do the checking in the rescheduled class to ensure the makeup process is finished.